Hello everybody, it's me, Elliott from ETJ English. Lovely to have you here. Have you ever heard somebody say something like, "Oh, I'm literally dying"? It's quite common to hear the word literally overused a lot in English, British, American, Australian, any kind of English. So today we're going to learn about this word and learn when we really should and shouldn't be using this. Of course, we're going to talk about the British pronunciation of the word literally, but I also want to explain kind of how it's overused and maybe to help you understand when actually we should be using this word. Technically, there are kind of two ways of pronouncing the word literally. You can do it with more schwa sounds, for example, literally, literally. So remember, the schwa sound is the sound. We don't really do much with the mouth. We keep the tongue kind of in the middle of the mouth. Literally. But you'll find that nowadays in modern RP, which is the type of British pronunciation I teach, other accents are available, we can actually shorten it and we can just say literally, 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 literally. So this is the quicker way of pronouncing it. If you're talking faster, you probably will do this. So literally is, literally, an overused word. It's a word which is used in many different situations, and it's kind of started to go out of context in everyday life, which technically means that these mistakes or these wrong ways of using it could actually be correct and widely accepted now in English. So don't be afraid if you do make these mistakes, because natives do it too, and if natives do it, surely you can also. I've even heard members of parliament using this word literally in the wrong way. So literally means in literal sense. This is what it is. It's literally this. Not exaggerated, okay? That's basically what it means. So it's not more than this, it's not less than this, it's not different to this. It is literally this. So in English, it's quite common to exaggerate. We love to do it in British English. So you could go outside and you could say, it's literally 100 degrees outside, or I'm literally burning, it's so hot. But you're not actually. You're just using the word literally to exaggerate. And that word literally kind of shows the listener that you are exaggerating. So this is when we use the word literally in a non-literal context to exaggerate. And it's very, very common. And as I said, technically it could be accepted now. It could be fine to do this. But try to avoid doing it too much, because it can, to some people, sound bad, particularly people of an older generation who like to stick to older styles of English. But I think you'll find in 20, 30 years, this will be very, very, very common. It will be used by everybody as the generations start to change. So just remember, to take something literally means to take it seriously, as though it's real, not more, not less, not exaggerated. But we often use it in a non-literal sense to kind of make it sound like it is, but it's not. Use the word literally at your own risk. Be careful. Remember what I've told you. Anyway, guys, that's the lesson for today. I hope you found it useful. I'm going to go now. I'm literally starving. Or am I? Am I literally starving? Or am I just hungry? I'll let you work that one out. Remember, you can join my British pronunciation course, learn British pronunciation directly with me when you go to etjenglish.com. Thank you very much for watching today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, all of that goodness. See you next week. Cheers, guys. Bye!